Hi everyone, this is Angie. As you know, Matt has asked us to make presentations about the program and how we feel it is working or how we can improve it. And so I thought I would just make a quick presentation of how we can do this. So I thought we kind of would do this in 3 steps. One would be to make a PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have PowerPoint, don't worry about it. I have some other solutions for you. And then if you don't, and then after that I will teach you how to do exactly what I'm doing of making an online presentation, and then we'll present it. So we'll start today with learning how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So I have PowerPoint, so I'm just gonna, my PowerPoint icon on my computer looks like a red letter P, and so I would just pull up PowerPoint. And I would pick a background, so I'm just going to pick one randomly here. Let's do this one. And so then you can add slides for however many you want to add by clicking on this button here. And then you can just add, like that. And then you can add all of these tabs are stuff that you can add to it. So I really like Smart Art. I'll show you Smart Art. So this is like if you want to make lists, or I thought this particular one, this process one, is great because we do a lot of processes. So you can use some of these icons to say, to kind of illustrate what has worked in the program and what hasn't worked in the program. All of these are super helpful little icons here. Or you can do charts. Here's examples of the charts, or you can do, or you can add a picture. To add a picture from clip art, you can just click, and it's not on your screen, but you click the insert button, and then you come down here to clip art, and then from, if you have clip art on your browser, I don't, so I would just go to the clip art gallery and click on that. And then it gives you some options here of things that maybe illustrate better what you're trying to say, or just kind of something for the audience to look at while you're talking. So that's kind of the general idea of what a PowerPoint presentation is. If you don't have PowerPoint, no big deal. We can go to Google Docs, or if you have a Gmail account, then you already have access to Google Docs or Google Slides. So I'm going to type in my browser. I'm going to go to Google Slides and click on that one. Go over there. And then I can basically do the same thing I did for in PowerPoint. So I can just click this one for my background, and then I can make a presentation here. Same thing, add slides down here. It kind of already sets it up for you a little bit of kind of a color scheme to go with. You can delete them as you go. You can say, you know what, I don't want that one. Just push the backspace button. You click on this one. Number 2 isn't exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm just going to push the delete button on my keyboard and it's gone. So, and then you can insert images from here, and there's other tools and stuff that you can play around with. If you want more information on that, I will leave my phone number in the email so that you can call me and I can help you out with that. If you don't have a Gmail account and you don't have PowerPoint, then you have access to Sway. So if you, the same place, so you would come to this screen if you were going to go look at your work emails here in Outlook. Instead of clicking Outlook, you can come here to Sway. You can click on Sway. And then you can pick your, you can say start a new document, blog, DIY project, newsletter. There's more. So blank Sway, so kind of you can choose your background from here, and same thing, you can insert images, you can do some other neat things with that. So, and I know that I've played around with sway just a little bit. So again, if you have questions, you can call me and I will help you figure out how to make a PowerPoint presentation, either using PowerPoint or Google Slides or with Sway. Let me know if you have any questions.